In life,
This
you
is
have
the
all the
part
information.
that all
You know
Africans,
everything.
I'm not going to say
And
all,
choose.
a lot of Africans miss. Are you hearing me? If you get this part right, you will get it.
Mm-hmm.
If you get this part right, you get it. Everybody wants to be rich. I get it. Everybody wants to be comfortable. I understand. Okay. But this is the problem. This is where people miss it. You think that to get rich and comfortable, you must work. That is where most people miss it. No. Working may get you a bit comfortable, but it will not get you rich. Working may get you a bit comfortable, but that comfortable is relative. When you say comfortable, what do you mean? Meaning you can pay your rent, you can pay your cable, you can pay your car notes. Yeah, that's what most people consider comfortable. You can take a few trips every other year. I want to go to Africa, okay. I want to go on Christmas holiday, okay. Nonsense. This is comfortable. This is what most people consider comfortable. I'm able to take care of myself. Nothing crazy. But your child will be going to public school. Chances are. And if you go to private school, that means you must be making a little bit more money. But all this is not okay. Yeah, a bit comfortable. This is what we call what? Middle class. Middle class. This is a middle class life. This is what that is. This is where most Africans miss it. In order to get rich, are you hearing me? To get this rich, where look, where all this is not, you don't even think about it anymore.
Mm-hmm.
It is not even. What do you mean? You don't pay rent anymore. You buy cable for 1 year and you forget about it. Car notes, you don't have car notes. Trips, you don't pay for it. You don't think about it. Your children are which school? They're into your business. They are not going to school like that. Okay, they'll go to your private school, but at them they are working in your business. Totally different thing. Now watch this. This part is where they miss it. In order to get rich, it is a very simple formula. Your money must become pregnant.
The money have become pregnant. Oh my God.
Your money must become pregnant. That's to get rich.
Where? Papa should see.
Whatever money you have must become pregnant. What does that look like? That looks like this. I gather money. However way I get it, I gather money. I put it into a vehicle. I don't know how to draw. Okay, this is the car. I put it into a vehicle that is going 100 miles per hour. I put this money into something that's going 100 miles an hour. Moving fast. Duplicating itself. Becoming pregnant. Just like what Bitcoin did when it went from 1 cent to 69K. All you have to do was just put it in the Bitcoin car. Because that car is going to get you 100 miles per hour. What everybody are doing right now is they get money and they are violating the rule. they are not putting it into anything. They leave it in their bank, which is going negative 50 miles per hour. It's not even going 50 miles per hour. It's going negative 50. It's doing the opposite of, it's not even growing money. Because after inflation, your money is not even going up, it's going down. The value of money is even going down. This is what most people do. This is what most people do, isn't it? You get your paycheck, they direct deposit it into your bank, you just leave it there. You use it to do what? Pay all these stupid bills. The way to get here is get your money, put it in a car that's going 100 miles per hour. Now you are talking. Well, why people seem to have figured this thing out? Africans, no, we have not figured it out. Because we refuse to trust the process of God.
Yeah, that is true.
So, madam, you really have to ask yourself a very humbling question. What would my life look like in the next 2 to 3 years if I continue like this? You have a choice.
No, you have a choice. And the really choice is like, it's good to make an investment. Yes, it's very, very good to make.
No, you are not understanding. You are still not getting it.
I already get it. I
don't get it.
Professor.
No.
You try to explain that.
You don't get it. You don't get it.
Okay. So what is your point?
Money requires speed.
Yes, I get it. Money requires speed. You mean what? You make some money, you pay your bill. Instead to save, what you try to say is like, instead to just save your money in the bank, why don't you put it in investment?
Absolutely.
Why don't you invest? Yeah. Why don't you invest? Yes, that's true. That's a good idea also. It's a very good thing.
So now you have something to think about, right?
Yeah, I have something to think about it also. Yeah.
You have something to think about, sincerely. You have something to think about.
It's very, 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 very important. Important. People
any student that comes to me, I don't only teach them how to get Oracle jobs, but I also teach them how to open up their mind to opportunities.
Yes, because after they get the Oracle job, you'll get your money.
Madam.
Okay.
Currently you work, is it not? Right?
You say what, Professor?
Currently you work, right?
Yes.
Crypto, listen, whatever money that you make, this is not financial advice. I'm not advising you can do what you want to do. My advice to you would be this. Every goddamn dime that you make, after you've paid all your bills, of course, put it in the crypto. Do not wait or hesitate.